Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to factorize p squared plus 9p plus 20, and after that use our answers in part A to explain why this expression is always even for all integers of p. Okay, so let's do part A first. So for part A, Mr. Tan will then apply the cross chart. But of course, if you feel free to use other methods that allow you to factorize this easily. So p times p will give me p squared. As for 20, that's where I need to consider 1 times 20, 2 times 10, 4 times 5. Which pair will allow me to get 9p? And yes, we got it. 4 and 5. So 4 and 5. 4 times 5 does give me 20. And 5p plus 4p does give me back 9p. And so for part A, the answer would be, so 9p squared. So this will be equals to p and a positive 4, p and a positive 5. Now from this answer, how can we explain that this expression is always even for all integer of p? And so, to consider that, let's look at this. We will then have to consider for integers p could either be odd or even. Okay? So if the integer p is odd, what happens? What happens to p plus 4 and p plus 5? P plus 4 will be odd, because odd number plus even number will give odd number. Okay? And p plus 5, an odd number plus an odd number will give us even number. And let's see what happens. Okay, if p is even number, an even number plus an even number will give us even number, and an even number plus an odd number will give me an odd number. And therefore, you can then see that if it is an odd number, p plus 4. And so, what does this entail? Now it's important. Now that we have considered the odd and even, then let's look at this first case. So when p is odd, we will have this situation. And what is the product when you have odd times even? So let's come over here. Then you can then see, now that we have considered this, then this will be an odd number multiplied by an even number. This will be equal to even number. And for this particular case where p is even, again, you can then see this. Will be even number multiplied by odd number, and this will again give me even number. And so it is always, the product is always equal to be an even number. Will always be even. Okay? And with that, we've come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.